All right, this video is how to use graphics, all of them at once. First of all, we got to do a screenshot and find a nice field. So I'm going to click here and here at the same time. It's going to drop down to the left corner, turn the phone around, touch it. Now I'm in the edit page where I can do all my edits. If I go to the bottom, I'm just going to show you a really quick, cool thing you can do. Click on here. It's going to give you your field. I'm going to first put the arrow in there. Now, if I want to change the size of this arrow, I actually have to move those two blue dots, and I can bend it with the green dot, but we're not going to do that for today. We're just going to make a cool little graphic. I'm going to click again. I'm going to put the circle. Once I put the circle over the arrow, I can't change the arrow, but I can change the circle by manipulating those blue dots, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to go back and we're going to do the square now. Bam, now we're in that. Now the only thing you can move here is the square because the circle and the arrow are static and they're already been imprinted on there. So we're going to leave that like it is. I'm just going to touch that field, and there's our really cool graphic that we just made. And if we wanted to, we could even add text. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to hit text. It's going to put a text field in there. I'll pull it down, and I can expand that text field. And then if I wanted to, I can change the color by going to my color wheel down here and just clicking on it. It becomes white. And then if I wanted to write something in there, I can double click it, and then I can just put my name in there. Bam, done. Now, then I can click it again here. And then if I want to change the size of that, I come down here, click on that, and it's going to give me that little bar where I can pull it. Let's see if you can see it at the same time. And it gets bigger. Bam, done. If I'm satisfied with that, I just come up here, touch the field, and there's my graphic, touch it again, and we're solid. And I just made a really cool graphic using the text and all those geometric shapes. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your iPhone. Peace out.